Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Vijay Deverakonda's much anticipated film Kingdom is setting the box office on fire even before its release. In a remarkable show of fan frenzy, the film has reportedly sold over 30,000 tickets within just 24 hours of advance bookings going live. The skyrocketing demand has made it one of the top trending titles on leading ticketing platforms, reaffirming Deverakonda's enduring star power despite a few recent setbacks for him. Overseas too, Kingdom is making strong waves. Impressive pre-sales abroad have prompted the makers to plan grand premiere shows on July 30th, hoping to capitalize on the growing excitement. Here's a chat that we had with Vijay Deverakonda about his upcoming film and the anticipation around it, of course, the fans' excitement. So listen in.
मुझे लगता है कि इन्हें इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए सुमेरा एक अलग अंदाज हमें अपनाना पड़ेगा। क्यों साक्षी? क्योंकि उस अंदाज को जिस तरीके से पूरी दुनिया इस वक्त सराह रही है, आज उसी की हम चर्चा जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन मुझे लगता है पहले एक जोरदार तरीके से एक अलग अंदाज से उनका स्वागत करने के लिए एक वाइब आनी चाहिए।
बिल्कुल सुरभि, इतनी आसानी से हम अपने सुपरस्टार को यहाँ मंच पे तो नहीं बुलाने वाले। एक क्विक ट्रिविया हम यहाँ मंच पे मौजूद लोग भी आपको बता देते हैं कि हम जो है अपनी एनर्जी आपसे ड्राइव करते हैं, तो आप तालियों में कोई कमी मत रखिएगा, हम आपके मनोरंजन में कोई कमी नहीं रखेंगे। और सुरभि, मेरे हिसाब से अब वक्त आ चुका है।
बिल्कुल वक्त आ चुका है। तो मुझे पता है कि यहाँ जेनजीज का मैं जिक्र करती हूँ, तो लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स नॉट टाइम फॉर द रील, इट्स टाइम टू विटनेस द रियल hero Vijay with us. May I please request Mr. Vijay Deverakonda to join us?
Please have the music rolling, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. जोरदार तालियों के साथ, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Vijay Deverakonda is with us. Superstar Vijay with us.
How do you see this? सिनेमा का विजय पथ। मुझे पता है मैं टीजर तस्वीरों के साथ आपके इसी सफर को बयां करने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि स्टारडम नोज नो लैंग्वेज। साक्षी, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि विजय आज साउथ सिनेमा को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए किस तरीके से इस सफर को तय करते आए हैं। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि अब आपके बोलने से पहले आपकी कुछ तस्वीरें बयां करना और तस्वीरों का बोलना जरूरी है।
इनफैक्ट हम तस्वीरों से पहले सुरभि, क्योंकि जो रीसेंट टाइम्स में हाइप क्रिएट कर चुकी है, हेडलाइंस बना चुकी है, किंगडम आने वाली है लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, तो कैन वी हैव द किंगडम्स टीजर फर्स्ट?
कभी ना रुकने वाला एक भीषण युद्ध, लहरों में बहता रक्त। थामो, ठहरो या थक कर चूर हो जाओ, ये महायुद्ध न रुका है, ना रुकेगा। धरा पर आक्रमण होते रहेंगे, शरीर मिट्टी में मिलते रहेंगे। किसके लिए है ये विनाश? किसके लिए है ये विद्रोह? किसके लिए है ये महायुद्ध? क्यों? ताकि इस रक्त रंजित रणभूमि से जन्म ले सके एक महासम्राट। काल चक्र को ध्वस्त करके पुनः जन्म ले एक महानायक। कुछ भी करूंगा सर।
How do you witness this? कैसे विजय?
पड़ी तो
क्योंकि
सब कुछ जलाकर रख दूंगा।
Can we have a big round of applause for superstar Vijay, ladies and gentlemen? This is the mini version of India right in front of you, welcoming you with rousing applauses. And you also saw the reaction, of course, Vijay. How do you feel about it?
Thank you, सभी को नमस्कार, अंदर की नमस्कार.
I would also request you to please
Thank you.
have a seat.
I love it. This is what you live for as an actor. You live for their love. You live for them to love your work and to hear their cheers and screams. That's what makes you feel alive and feel fulfilled.
Definitely.
ह्यूज फैन फॉलोइंग के बारे में साक्षी में बात करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे लगता है मन अभी भरा नहीं है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी मेरी टीम से, डिम द लाइट्स, और उसके बाद एक बार फिर से हम क्यों ना ये आपका टीजर देखें, क्योंकि जिस अंदाज में अब आप सामने आ रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है एक्सपेक्टेशंस इतनी ज्यादा हाई हो चुकी है. एक बार फिर से विजय का ये नया अंदाज दिखाएं.
फुल थिएटर वाली फीलिंग राइट हियर लेडीज एंड
कभी ना रुकने वाला एक भीषण युद्ध, लहरों में बहता रक्त. थामो, ठहरो या थक कर चूर हो जाओ, ये महायुद्ध न रुका है, ना रुकेगा. धरा पर आक्रमण होते रहेंगे, शरीर मिट्टी में मिलते रहेंगे. किसके लिए है ये विनाश, किसके लिए है ये विद्रोह, किसके लिए है ये महायुद्ध? क्यों? ताकि इस रक्त रंजित रणभूमि से जन्म ले सके एक महासम्राट. काल चक्र को ध्वस्त करके पुनः जन्म ले एक महानायक. कुछ भी करूंगा सुन, जरूरत पड़ी तो सब कुछ जलाकर रख दूंगा.
तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट में कोई कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए.
किंगडम, आपकी ह्यूज फैन फॉलोइंग की भी कुछ खास तस्वीरें मेरे पास हैं, वो सामने रखूंगी. लेकिन अब किंगडम के इस अंदाज से एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपको लगता नहीं है कि और ज्यादा हाई हो गई हैं?
जरूर लगता है, पर काम है कि वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस को मीट करना, एंड शायद करेंगे मई 30 को.
कुछ खास तस्वीरें मैं चाहूंगी सबसे पहले दिखाना, और उन तस्वीरों को आप कैसे परसीव करते हैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के तौर पर, और कैसे ये संभव हो पाया, यही मेरा अगला सवाल होगा. कुछ खास तस्वीरें जरा यहां मैं दिखाना चाहूंगी, प्लीज प्ले करिए. ये देखिए तस्वीरें, द पावर हाउस. ये बहुत खास मूवमेंट्स हैं आपके, इनको जरा बयां करिए. क्या हो रहा है ये सब कुछ, क्योंकि इस टीजर के साथ साथ जिस तरीके से सुपरस्टार्स का ये कोलैबोरेशन नजर आ रहा है, ये भी क्या बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है विजय?
It actually happens very easily. Everything, जब हमने ये टीजर कट किया था, it was 4-5 महीने पहले ही टीजर रेडी था. And when we cut the teaser and when we wrote the voiceover, we already knew that we wanted Tarak Khanna's voice for it. There was nobody else's voice we thought would do justice for this particular teaser. Straight away we knew we wanted his voice. And we went and asked him, and he sat with me for some time, spoke to me casually, and he said, let's do it this evening. And I said, the director was in Chennai working on the music of the teaser. I was like, the director is not there. I would like him to be there with you. He was like, you come off. We both will sit and do it. I was like, me, I don't want to be there. He was like, no, come, just chill. If you're free, come. So I went. He said, come at 6 o'clock. I thought I'll go a little late so that he's done with it. But by the time I went, he was just warming up, and he made me sit in the dubbing room. And he was so excited. And he would do it with such energy and passion, and he would want to do one more take and one more take and one more take, till I had to tell him, Anna, enough. It's like really good. I think we have it. We don't need to do more. And he was so excited that it was so good, and that his voice added to the teaser. And this is the probably I've met him once socially, but the first time I had asked something of him and he did it, and uh, I feel I feel special and I feel loved and I feel love towards him for stepping in for me to do this for my teaser. And the same way, RK and Suryanna are two of my favorite actors. They're actors that I've looked up to growing up. Like I would watch their cinema and wonder and love their acting, admire their acting, and wondered if I could do what they did. I remember texting RK, just saying RK, and he knew about the teaser because somebody who is mutual, Sandeep Wanga, had told him that there's this Vijay's teaser and I think they want you for the voiceover. And I just texted RK and he was like, of course I'm doing a teaser, man. And I was like, I didn't even ask yet. Let me tell you what it is and stuff. He was like, yeah, we'll do it. When do you want it done? Then I was like, wait, let me call you. Then I called him and said, this is the teaser. This is the vibe of the film. There's this voiceover. Is this length? I was like, yeah, send it to me. We'll do it. So even before I asked him, he just said, yes, I wasn't there while he was doing it. He was doing it in Bombay. But I love his voiceover. And the same with Suryanna. I just called him. Once RK and Tarak Khanna were doing it, I knew we wanted a strong voice from Tamil, and Suryanna is an actor that I love. So I just rang him and said, Anna, I know when I ask you, it's hard for you to say no. I know they don't want to say no. So I was like, please say no. Completely okay, because it's an obligation I'm asking you. There's this voiceover, I want you to do it. He was like, okay, let's do it. So it happened too easily almost, and they added so much weight to the teaser of the film. So these are memories from the teaser, and when I go to Chennai and when I go to Mumbai, I need to sit down with these men who did this for me and spend some time and thank them again.
And since we are talking about voiceover, since we are talking about biggest of the big celebrities giving their voices for this particular version, how can we not have you also say the particular dialogue, because it gives us chills?
The dialogue from the film,
Yes.
we'll do it in Hindi.
Yes. Amazing.
कुछ भी करूंगा सर, जरूरत पड़ी तो सब कुछ जला कर रख दूंगा.
Oh, Vijay Deverakonda, ladies and gentlemen. And also, I'm really curious to ask you, because this particular thing came in as a bomb for us. It was a surprise for us. We did not hear much of the noise of you. Yeah, there were rumors about VD12, but then Kingdom all of a sudden was announced. And nowadays we know how films are actually promoted. What are your thoughts about that? Why did you hide it with us?
We were working. We never, our first intention, me and Gautam, was to make a good film. We weren't thinking about promoting. I really wanted to make the film and enjoy the process of the film. So we were working, and then it was time to, people were getting really restless, and we were feeling the heat from fans and film audience saying, what the hell, put out something, what's happening and stuff. And we were still not feeling ready to put out anything. And then it was time, because we had to release May 30th. So we were like, okay, let's put out something. And then we got to it. We put out a poster or something saying that we'll announce the teaser, and we put it out, and it was received with so much love. It's good.
जो सरप्राइज आपने ऑडियंस को दिया है, ऑडियंस कैसे आपको सरप्राइज कर रही है, उसकी कुछ खास तस्वीरें मैं चाहूंगी आप दिखाएं, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का रिस्पांस इस टीजर के बाद भी सामने आ रहा है, उसको लेकर सवाल करने से पहले ये तस्वीरें एक बार प्ले करिए, वो खास तस्वीरें जो बाहर से अब सामने आई हैं. Can you see this? It's trending on #1. Also, look at your look. I want to talk about. मैं आपकी फिटनेस के बारे में तो बात करना चाहती हूँ.
Eagerly waiting for 30th May. Already, people are waiting for it, and you gave us a surprise, and people are already waiting for it. Look at the tweets that are pouring in.
And look at these pictures. ये तस्वीरें जहाँ देखिए किस तरीके से आपकी मौजूदगी के बीच फैंस का ये हुजूम, देखिए फूल बरसाए जा रहे हैं. और ये सवाल विजय मैं उस लिहाज से भी करूंगी, जब आप इन तस्वीरों को खुद विटनेस करते हैं, साउथ के सिनेमा के जितने भी सुपरस्टार्स हैं, उनको जिस तरीके से ये प्यार मिलता है वो आप विटनेस करते आए हैं. और अब ये प्यार जिस तरीके से आपको मिल रहा है, जहाँ देखिए किस तरीके से क्रेन लगाकर फूल बरसाए जा रहे हैं और ऑडियंस की ये जो दीवानगी एक शब्द हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो बढ़ती ही जा रही है.
I wish I could explain this to you, पर मुझे ही समझ में नहीं आता है कि इतना प्यार और इतना passion, how they have this much passion and how they're always there. Even not all your films work. You have good films and bad films, but these guys are like, whenever your content is there and they love it, they're just, I think after a while they were really excited by something I did, so they just went all out, and it's hard to process and put it into words, their love.